Struggling to add testimonials to your Namecheap site? In 3 minutes, I will show you exactly how to add social proof that builds trust and gets your visitors to actually take action. We will start from your site editor, add a testimonial section, customize the first testimonial, and have it live on your page. Let us go. First things first, open up your website inside the Namecheap Website Builder editor. This is the main dashboard where you can see all of your pages and your site content. Go ahead and open that up now. Now, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You will see a panel with a bunch of options. You want to find the button that says Add More Content. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Namecheap stores all the different blocks and sections you can drop onto your page. All right, so once you click Add More Content, a menu pops up with all the different section types. You will see things like hero images, features, and contact forms. Scroll down that list until you see Testimonials. Click on it. Now, this is the part that might seem a little repetitive, but stay with me. When you click Testimonials, a new submenu opens up. You need to click on the Testimonials block again to actually select it and add it to your page. Just click right on that word again. Perfect. Now, a few different layout options will appear. You will see Testimonial 1, Testimonial 2, and so on. For this tutorial, go ahead and click on Testimonial 1. That is usually a clean, single-column layout that works perfectly for your first entry. After you pick your layout, you will see a blue Continue button pop up at the bottom of the screen. Click that to insert the block into your page. The Testimonials section will now appear right where your cursor was. And here is the fun part. Now let us customize the actual testimonial text. Click right into the text area where it says the quote. You can delete the placeholder text and type in your own customer testimonial. Make sure it sounds genuine and specific. Generic praise like great product is okay, but something like this software saved me 10 hours a week is way more powerful. Go ahead and type your quote in now. Next, we need to add the author name so it actually looks like a real person said it. Click on the name field below the quote. Type in the person's name. You can also add their title or company name if you want extra credibility. Something like Jane Doe, founder of Acme Inc., really seals the deal. All right, you are almost done. Now click the Save button at the top of the editor. Namecheap will save your changes, and you will see a little confirmation message. Once that is done, click the Preview button to see how it looks on the live version of your site. This is where you double-check that the text is readable, the name is spelled right, and everything looks professional. And that is it. You went from a website that felt a little anonymous to a page that shows real people vouching for you. That kind of social proof makes a huge difference in convincing someone to buy or reach out. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more Namecheap tutorials. I will see you in the next one.